Pros and cons of having the same flooring throughout the house. Dear friends, choosing the right flooring is of utmost importance whether you're building or renovating your home. But what most homeowners often fail to consider is whether to use uniform flooring all over the house. There are both pros and cons to using the same flooring throughout the house. In some cases, having uniform flooring is more practical. But there are also instances where using different types of flooring is more advantageous. To help you figure out whether you should use the same flooring for your entire home, we've listed down the pros and cons of doing so. Benefits of uniform flooring. Here are some reasons why flooring should be the same throughout the house. 1. It unifies the design of your home. One of the most important benefits of having uniform flooring is continuity. If you're aiming for a certain look and vibe, using the same set of flooring materials for every room in your house will really tie up the design. For instance, if your home design is modern minimalist, whitewashed hardwood flooring will complete the look. Now, imagine if you throw in some dark stained parquet flooring in one of the rooms. It will stick out like a sore thumb and you don't really want that, right? 2. It makes your space large and airy. Continuity in flooring material and design makes your space appear larger than it really is. Say you have an open space layout for your kitchen and dining room. Using the same type of flooring makes both spaces look connected, which, in turn, makes them look bigger. 3. It makes cleaning and maintenance easier. If you have just one flooring material, you don't have to use different types of cleaning materials or techniques. This makes cleaning or maintaining your floor a lot easier and cheaper. 4. It's cheaper. Buying one type of floor planks in bulk is obviously cheaper than buying different types of planks in smaller quantities. This is why it's much cheaper to install the same type of flooring all over your house. 5. It reduces the risk of tripping or falling. Different types of floors have different thickness levels. So when you install them, there's always the chance that some planks will be thicker than the others. This, in turn, increases the chances of anyone tripping and subsequently falling over them. But if you have uniform flooring, every plank will be of the same thickness. Meaning, it reduces the risk of trip and fall accidents. Cons of having the same flooring throughout the house. Now that you know the benefits of uniform flooring, it's time you hear of its disadvantages too. 1. It limits your flooring choice. If you have a large family, each may have different preferences for their bedroom floors. Besides, some rooms in the house may require a specific kind of flooring. For example, the bedroom and nursery require flooring that doesn't creak when somebody is walking around. The humidity in your kitchen may also differ from that of your living room. So, it needs a floor that can withstand high moisture levels. In short, you need to install a type of flooring that can satisfy all those requirements. And as you may have guessed, this can severely limit your options. 2. There's a lack of diversity and uniqueness. Having similar flooring all throughout your home doesn't really leave much room for creativity and diversity. In short, it can be plain and boring. If you're the artistic or adventurous type, this may not sit well with you. 3. Replacing a broken section can be a challenge. Since the floor planks are all the same, replacing a broken one may require replacing entire sections of your floor. Besides, if you have a custom floor, replacing a broken plank will most likely require having one made especially for you. And as you can imagine, that won't be cheap. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Ladd's channel How to Make My House.